What's up guys, it's me Packy, and today I'm on a mission to beat a Team USA member with my garage sale bowling ball arsenal. But first, let me show you guys how I got that garage sale bowling ball arsenal. And check out what I just found. I think they're gonna sell me for 10 bucks for 4 of them. Doesn't quite unzip. You said 10 bucks, right? $10 for all 4 of them? Yep. All right. Deal of the day. I bought 4 bowling balls for $10, and I'm gonna use 3 of them to build a 3-ball garage sale arsenal. Let's see what we got. We got this old Bonanza 300 urethane. You can see up top, it was Jackie's. Then we got the Mickey Mouse bowling ball from Disney, Brunswick. The good thing about this one is it might be like 14 or 15. And then we also have the Columbia 300 Carl, we'll call this one. I'll pull up some numbers right now and show you guys what this ball actually is after I do a little bit of research. Subscribe to the channel. We're here in the shop because last time I bought a really cheap bowling, it did not go well and I needed to plug and re-drill it. So here we are doing that before we throw them and before we realize it hurts my hands. For those of you who are new here, we have a 100,000 subscriber giveaway where we're giving away a bowling ball every single day for the rest of the year once we hit 100,000 subscribers. So the quicker we get there, the more bowling balls we give away, which means you guys gotta help me out and click that subscribe button down below. Now let's get back to the video. He doesn't like that I got a good look. Today's challenger. Yeah. All right, how do you feel?
Disrespect.
That just means you better win by 100. Luckily, they put out my pattern.
Good to go. Full well.
He didn't even shake it. He just put his hand out there. So let him fool you guys.
Jesus.
The hot start.
Ugh. It's not good.
Let's give a quick arsenal review. I think Carl's my best option. The 300 yellow dot legend. And then I think I'm gonna use the Mickey Mouse as my spare ball.
Greg.
Yeah, Greg is the spare ball. Jackie's like 8 pounds or 10 pounds. Greg's about 12. I think it's a little more manageable. Bowling ball cost me $2.50. That's $2.50 to you. I know, yours were free, I know.
We're in trouble.
That is early trouble.
I'm a one-trick pony. It's just a reality, not a purple hammer.
Spares are gonna be hard.
9 ounce good here.
Ball is 12 pounds. Greg's gotta do me some justice. You did say you're just as much of a one-trick pony as me.
Wrong shot.
Moving 10 right, it looks like.
Manageable.
A manageable spare at last. I don't think I'm moving. I don't think I can move.
We'll carry down a little 5-10 here. Come on.
I'm just noticing this ball's like got a little red tint to it. I thought it was brown. I kind of like it. It reminds me of like my purple hammer, just older and darker. Maybe I also need to move. I think I'm switching balls though.
Ball change?
Jackie on the spare.
Jackie on the spare.
The 8-pounder. I figured I could throw Jackie a little harder. My boy Carl's let me down a little bit. I gotta start giving him a little bit further to the left. I'm gonna move a little 2-on-1 left.
Hook. Oh.
And now we're in trouble.
Right here, right now. Let's go.
To down 20? Not anymore. You move 2-on-1, I'm gonna move 2-on-1.
2-on-1 left. Stand up and fight.
I really need those hits bad.
That was huge. He's 4 for 4 in the pocket. It's kind of scary.
Low carry percentage.
Welcome to the red.
Does anybody else use a different spare ball for 7 pins and 10 pins, or is it just me?
Hook a lot. Jeez, Ryan.
That would have been a big double.
That was an area check.
I'm not gonna lie, like you double there, I'm a little nervous. I start squeezing if you double there, I'm just saying.
A lot of game left. He's due for an open here. Pocket every time.
I'm due for an open, excuse me?
Just spells 3-7 all over it. Or just 10 back, you know.
Bang, bang, bang. Fifth frame update, Ryan. 57 or 58 in the fourth, spare in the fifth, down 20.
Not good.
There we go.
I need you not to throw a double here, would you?
If I throw a double, you might as well call this thing over. Please strike. Please.
Yes! I know it's good there.
Again, switching spare balls.
Okay, I have a
Just
chance.
barely clipped it. All right, how you feeling about your chances here? So I'm gonna need a triple somewhere, at least.
That would have been disgusting.
What? What was that? Slow mo replay. Damn.
I needed that one in the worst way. That was,
You did need that one.
that one hurt.
If I strike here, you might as well pencil it in for a win. Pencil it in. I said pencil it in. Don't, not with pen yet. Pencil. Maybe an erasable pen. I'm not saying you need some strikes, but still up 20. Okay, if I actually strike here, you can mark it down with pen, chisel it into stone, game. If I strike. I'm gonna go with the light bowling ball, and I'm gonna touch them all. A little backup action. Just got a little amped up, a little excited. Overthrew it.
Order number 18 and your foot is ready. 8, 9.
Oh, 0. That's impressive.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was all of them. And just like that, you're back in the game. I didn't realize it was gonna hook that much. And he's back in the game.
Go ahead and miss here so I have a chance to shut you out, would you?
I got a strike. Come on! It could still go very wrong for me.
Yeah, he's a mark still. I can force the mark.
Force a mark on anything over 5. I need a mark.
Back off, back off.
I moved one left, I was nervous.
He's nervous, he's nervous.
I gotta get to flush the pocket. Gotta move one.
G.
It's only embarrassing as you make it. I want all you guys to comment down below and give your condolences to Ryan. We're breaking out Jackie now.
Jackie. Carry.
Thanks for showing up and watching this video, guys. We out 190, 191, 177. Thanks for watching. And once again, give your condolences to Ryan down below. And if you want, here's an extra clip of the rematch.